Right, welcome back to another adventure in the green bean machine. Quite a nice lane this one. It was nothing too challenging ahead, but it was a very nice lane for views and scenery. Just a nice casual lane to drive down really. Here we have just ahead of us the farmer being polite and waiting for us to come through, holding the gates for us.
Look at that. That's cool. What are these called again?
Then?
No, the roads are going.
Byways or unnamed.
Oh, so this is byway, isn't it?
No, it's fine, mate. Don't open the gate for us. You'd have had something to say otherwise.
This is the byway, isn't it? We'll go slow.
Cheers, bud. As you can probably tell, the weather wasn't the greatest. It was highly overcast, and as you see a little bit later on, the rain does start to pick up and it will start to come down a little bit. No major though, but as we all know, a little bit of rain adds to the adventure, doesn't it? Lovely park of horses over there. Oh, this bridge is quite small. Guessing we're following the horses.
Reconstruction.
Wailing. I need you to spot me, Slim. I generally can't see the bridge. Right, well, came across this bridge and yes, it was very narrow. The truck just about fit across it. The tyres were on both edges of the bridge. Was not getting across whatsoever without the guidance of as bridge visibility was completely gone and I could not see anything. Wow! That was tight.
Barely fit through that.
That was tight.
I was just thinking, don't crumble.
First point, mate. At one point, mate, I thought I was going to be on the wall. Climb up that.
Your back end was on the wall.
They all they've got all that like room to go and they all just stick to the path. and they like, you know what I mean? But up now they decided doing some off-roading.
There's a van down there.
Say hello to them, eh? I wish we could drive up that river.
Still saw then.
Rogue still. Yeah. Look at him run, look at him go. Rogue still saw him wash down the river.
I honestly look, hey, little pheasant.
It's cool seeing them all just like wild and free like that. So I know they're not wild, but they are like in a way out. They're not just.
They've got a lot of fucking ground.
Joey, normally they're in a stable, aren't they?
Yeah.
It's cool just seeing them like legging around in a field like that.
Is it this way down there? No, it's this way. That isn't somewhere.
You can't go all them front tracks. Need to own the land. They're having a fight
They want to fight. Have a fight, see who wins.
Right, well, once again, I apologise for the lack of camera angles. Didn't really film much from many other views really on here, other than the GoPro. I am learning, and once we've gone through the few frames that I've got left to edit, I will start having videos with a lot more different angles in, as I am learning now. Starting to get the hang of this filming.
Oh yeah. Nice and comfy. Did you hear that?
Yeah, man.
Sound out from the arch.
I love how you're just making them wider. You can see me in front of you, you look behind you, wider.
I'm trying to stay in them. I just can't help. My wheels are really little big for these little ruts. Better climb here. Well, I ain't go that fucking fast. Jesus Christ. What are they doing? Don't need it, climbing third. playing master on my head. On my head. On my arm. Where? Right. Yeah. You took it out and put it in with you, but you haven't yet.
No, I touched it.
Just have to edit all the pauses out that we do. The pointless stops. Put it in the oven. What you cooking? Ah, at least can't get copyrighted for our awful singing.
No.
Oh, huddle! Huddle!
Thank you.
Cheers!
Right, well that brings us to the end of another lane in the green bean machine. I hope you all enjoyed. I'd highly appreciate it if you could drop a like, a comment, a subscribe and even maybe give it a share. Thank you all very much for watching. Until the next one.